So once you have decided to make an LPA, how do you apply for one and what services can GN Law offer you? My name is Natasha Hejabizadeha. I'm a solicitor at GN Law and specialise in wills, trusts and probate, court of protection and community care matters. Today I'm going to talk about how you go about applying for an LPA and what legal services GN Law can offer you should you wish to instruct us to assist you in applying for one. Making an application for an LPA involves completing the substantive LPA forms for property and financial affairs and/or health and welfare. These forms are then divided into three parts: Part A, B and C. Part A requires the details of the donor, i.e. the person granting the power, their attorneys and the donor's signature. Part B requires the signature of what is known as a certificate provider to confirm that the donor had the mental capacity to be able to make the grant at the time the donor signed Part A. This certificate provider can be a solicitor, medical or other professional, who preferably should have some experience in mental capacity issues. Or it can be someone who has known the donor for 2 years or more. The attorneys will then need to sign Part C. There are other relevant forms which will need to be included as part of the application process and which are readily accessible on the Office of the Public Guardian, the OPG, website. The OPG also sets a registration fee of £110 per LPA, but this fee can be reduced or waived in some circumstances. Please note that if there are any mistakes on any of the application forms, the OPG may send them back for correction and will not register them until they are corrected. The OPG may also keep the registration fee already paid, which may mean paying this fee again when submitting the corrected forms. Completing an LPA with GN Law means we take on responsibility of ensuring that the application forms are correct and provide you with ongoing advice about the application itself and the extent of powers you are giving to your attorneys. We will act on the basis of a fixed fee, which covers everything from our initial meeting right through to obtaining your registered LPA. Alternatively, if you would like to make the application independently, but would like a solicitor to check over the forms, we also offer a checking service for a fixed fee. So that concludes the basics of how to apply for an LPA and the services GN Law could offer you. This is only an introduction to the issues, so please do take a look at the other videos on this site as they may answer any other queries you may have. You can also call me or one of my colleagues for a free chat to see if we can help, or you can attend our Wills, Trusts and Probate Clinic, which runs every Tuesday between 2 and 4 p.m. for a free 20-minute no obligation consultation with me or one of my colleagues.
This video is designed to be a brief introduction to the topic that it covers, and we hope you found it useful. It aims to be informative and to assist people to take the next step in solving the legal problem that they may have. This video does not constitute legal advice and does not seek to solve specific legal issues. If you have a specific legal problem that you need solved, you should take expert legal advice from a solicitor.